Welcome to Catechesis and Evangelization in the Age of Artificial Intelligence. In this workshop, we will explore how AI is transforming the Church's mission in the digital world.
The new directory for catechesis issued in 2020 emphasizes the digital world as a vital space for evangelization. Artificial intelligence is accelerating this digital transformation, reshaping how people discover, learn, and engage with faith content. AI-driven search engines, chatbots, and social media algorithms are now influencing how individuals explore their faith journeys. Digital culture profoundly shapes identity, relationships, and perceptions of truth. For the Church, this presents both opportunities and challenges. We are called to engage this culture while faithfully transmitting the gospel in its fullness and authenticity. Artificial intelligence can assist in creating compelling content for evangelization, preparing lessons and training materials, generating evangelization videos and graphics, optimizing social media outreach to reach wider audiences. As Romans 10 verse 17 reminds us, faith comes from hearing, and hearing through the word of Christ. However, digital communication presents risks. Superficial engagement and the spread of misinformation weaken personal relationships when technology replaces genuine connection. The key is to balance technological tools with authentic, human-centered catechesis. There are potential risks in using AI for evangelization. Authenticity can be compromised by automation, as AI lacks spiritual depth.
Misinformation and bias may infiltrate AI-generated content, and there's a real danger of replacing human catechists with machines. Discernment and oversight are essential.
Digital missionaries play a vital role in guiding others toward an authentic encounter with Christ. Their mission is to move beyond the screen, fostering real-life faith experiences and genuine relationships rooted in love and truth. Empowering missionary work through AI-powered Bible and catechism social networks and applications, virtual evangelization assistance, and multilingual outreach that breaks down language barriers. These tools extend the Church's reach to all corners of the world. Digital catechesis tools include AI chatbots offering answers to catechism questions, personalized faith learning journeys tailored to individual needs, AI-assisted lesson plans that help catechists deliver dynamic and effective teaching. To succeed in the digital mission, catechists must be formed in both technology and faith. They need training to understand AI's strengths and limitations. They must be formed in basic theology and catechism to distinguish what is right or wrong from the information provided by AI. They must develop digital discernment skills, and above all, ensure that online interactions inspire real-life encounters with Christ. AI cannot replace human witnesses of faith. We must ensure doctrinal integrity in all AI-generated content, address bias and misinformation responsibly, and always prioritize spiritual truth over technological convenience.
AI is reshaping catechesis and evangelization, but it must be used responsibly. Faith formation remains a relational, Christ-centered journey. AI can assist, but human catechists must always remain at the heart of evangelization. Thank you for watching this important conversation on catechesis and evangelization in the age of artificial intelligence in the 18th Vietnamese Catechetical Conference.